Welcome back. Today we're diving into the letter S, full of strong, smart, and sometimes surprising words that will sharpen your English skills. Squirrel, a small animal with a long tail that lives in trees and eats nuts. I saw a squirrel running up the tree in the park. Soil, the top layer of earth where plants grow. The farmer prepared the soil before planting the seeds. Solar energy, energy from the sun. The house uses solar energy to power the lights and heating. Solar panel, device that captures sunlight to make electricity. They installed solar panels on the roof to save money on electricity. Sold out, when all items or tickets are sold. The concert tickets were sold out within hours. Solder, melt metal to join wires or pieces together. The technician soldered the wires carefully to fix the radio. Solder is used to join small or delicate metals with a low-melting metal, like in electronics, while weld is for fusing large or heavy metals with intense heat, like steel beams. The workers welded the steel beams together. Soldier, person serving in the army. The soldier marched proudly during the parade. The word soul has several meanings in English. It can mean the only one, as in, she is the sole owner of the company. It can also refer to the bottom part of your foot, as in, the sole of my foot hurts. Finally, it can mean the bottom part of a shoe, as in, the sole of my shoe is worn out. The meaning is usually clear from the context. Soul, only one, being the only one of its kind. She was the sole survivor of the accident. The sole purpose of this meeting is to discuss the budget. His sole responsibility is customer support. Sole, shoe, bottom part of a shoe. The soles of his shoes wore out after months of walking. Wear out, to become damaged or unusable through continuous use. My shoes wore out. The tires have worn out. Sole, fish, flat sea fish. She ordered grilled sole at the seafood restaurant. Insole, a soft piece inside a shoe that makes it more comfortable or supports the foot. I bought new insoles to make my shoes more comfortable. Solid, firm, not soft. The ice was solid enough to walk on. The expression on solid ground or on firm ground means being safe, stable, or in a secure situation, both literally and figuratively. Sailors use it after being at sea, but people also say it when they finally feel confident or secure after a period of uncertainty. For example, when their plans or finances are stable again. Solid, reliable, or strong. She gave a solid argument that convinced everyone. Solidarity, unity or support within a group. The workers showed solidarity by going on strike together. Solution, the answer to a problem. They found a simple solution to fix the computer issue. Solution, liquid with something dissolved. The nurse cleaned the wound with a saline solution to prevent infection. Solve, find the answer to a problem. He solved the math problem quickly. Solve the case, to discover who committed a crime or find the answer to a mystery. The detectives worked for months to solve the case. A new piece of evidence helped solve the case. Solvent, liquid that dissolves substances. Acetone is a common solvent used in chemistry. Son, male child. Their son is studying at university. He is their only son, but he has two sisters. She is an only child. As an only child, he inherited the family fortune when his parents passed away. Song, piece of music with singing. That song always reminds me of summer. Soon, after a short time. I'll see you soon after the meeting. Sophisticated, complex, or elegant. The software is very sophisticated and can do many tasks. Sophisticated, elegant, fashionable, refined, and attractive in a stylish way. She looked sophisticated in her black evening dress. Sore, painful, especially on the body. After running the marathon, his legs were very sore. She's still sore about losing the game. Sorry, feeling regret or pity. I'm sorry for being late to your party. Very sorry, feeling regret or apology strongly. I'm very sorry for the mistake. I'm very sorry I'm late. I feel sorry for her. She's had a hard year. Sort, type, or category. This shop sells all sorts of fruits and vegetables. Sort, arrange into groups. He sorted the clothes by color before washing. You can sort the items by size or color. Sort by size. To arrange things according to their size. The clothes were sorted by size. Sort out. To solve a problem or organize something. Don't worry, we'll sort it out tomorrow. She sorted out the paperwork. Soul, spirit, or inner being of a person. Music touches the soul in a special way. Soul is an animated movie by Pixar about a music teacher named Joe Gardner who dreams of becoming a professional jazz musician. After an unexpected accident, he finds himself on a journey that makes him think about life, purpose, and what truly makes life worth living. One of the main lessons of the film is that life is not only about achieving big goals, but also about enjoying everyday moments. Soulmate. Person with a deep natural connection. She believes she has found her soulmate in her husband. Great job! You've just learned over 100 powerful S words. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next letter.